Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to reset network settings on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, scroll down and click on reset. After click on reset, and you will see if you want to reset network settings. So click on reset mobile network settings and click on reset setting. Enter your phone pin and click on continue and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can reset network settings on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.